G'day burpee lads and burpee lasses. This is the Burpees Bandit, stealing reps from the bank of health. Health is wealth. It's Tuesday. It's a week since I tested in to my Supercharged Burpees levels system. I achieved level 3, which is Thunder, unlocking the Sapphire gem. I got level 3, so it means I unlocked level 1, level 2, which is Quartz and Amber gemstones. So I've got 3 on the belt. This is a ranking system. Aim is to fill it up and get the elusive Obsidian gemstone, which is Blackout, 44 reps. A little bit nervous today. Thunder's not where I want to be. I know I am more of a level 4 practitioner for this levels program. I want to unlock the Ruby gemstone so badly. So today I'm going for level 4, 26 reps. Last Tuesday it was 21 reps. That means the first 4 minutes of this workout is going to be 3 reps and then dropping it down to 2 repetitions after the first 4 minutes. It's tough. 3 reps per minute is very tough for a supercharged burpee. Okay, that's enough talking. Level 3, Thunder is where I'm at. I'm going for lightning. Let's do this. 26 reps. Let's see if I've earned this. Coming up to 1 year straight of supercharged burpees. Let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1, down. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 'Focus. Stay controlled. Whew. Gotta remind myself, no rushing this. Come on. Pace is too quick. Come on. Slow it down. Let's go. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Thirteen. Fifteen. This is where it counts. This is where it dropped off last time. 15. Come on, pace it. 16. 17. Come on. That's it. Let's go. This is where it hurts. 19. 8 minutes. 19. Come on. Now it matters. This is when it sucks. This is where you need to keep going. 20. About to cross over into level 3 territory. Yes, clean reps, come on. Nothing sloppy, even at the last minute. 21, that's thunder. Come on. This is where people quit. The final minute. Get past 10 and you're done. One more. Time. Oh man, is it still recording? Oh fuck. Yeah, thank goodness. I think that's 23, which is thunder. Sapphire gem. Level 3, 23 reps. Although in the first round, the first minute, such an idiot. I rushed with excitement. That's what this program does. It is so tricky. It's like a snake. It will spring up behind you. It will attack your ankles and you will fall as if you've got Achilles heel. If you rush, if you do a level that's beyond you. So I didn't want to do 4 reps in the first minute. I was too quick, but I did it anyway. Because I was feeling good. I was feeling great. In fact, right now I feel fantastic. Level 3, thunder. I'm just wondering whether it's 23 or 24 reps. I got 4 in the first round. I'm sure I did 3 in the second. The third, I'm not too sure whether it's 2 or 3. I'm like to myself, well, I rushed that first minute. I think I took a bit of a longer break somewhere. That puts me level 3 supercharged thunder level. I'm very happy because I've maintained this level. I've maintained this level through a very busy schedule. I'm feeling much better than I did last week. So 23 reps is where I usually get my average on a good day. So today's a good day. Lightning is just out of reach, but I can smell it. I can see that red ruby shine that belongs on my belt. I've got quartz, amber, sapphire. I want that ruby gem so bad. So that's where I'm at right now. Level 3, I've backed it up. Thunder is it's a great level. I'm gonna say a good level. Thunder's a great level. It's a fantastic level because most people will probably sit level 2, amber, if they don't do this often, but if they do burpees. And those just starting will be level 1 quartz. And there's a large repetition range. 1 to 10 reps is quartz, level 1. 11 to 20 is amber, spark, level 2. So level 1, you're grounded, you're just starting out. Level 2, there's a spark, there's that initial fire, that initial discharge. And you're gearing up for something bigger and better, like thunder. Thunder is loud. Thunder is, about control. We need to control it. That's what I need to do. I need to control it. So I'm not staying here. I am going to move on to lightning. I'll probably attempt this again sometime over the next week, because you've got a week to log your best level, and that's your level for the next week. So from last week, I got thunder. I'm still thunder. Today I tried to get better. I got the same, still thunder. I couldn't be happier. So as always, comment your reps below, comment your level below, like this video, subscribe, shout me some coffee money. There's a support link down below, a couple of dollars, a couple of bucks for a coffee if you like these videos. How many gems do you have in your belt? Salute.